a gallery filled with masterpieces. Michael C. Riley Elementary School is hosting its annual Spring Arts Festival. Every student from pre-kindergarten through 5th grade has at least one piece of artwork on display, giving families a chance to see the creativity students have been developing all year long.
I made my self-portrait. I learned how to make the eyes on this little paper, and then I just learned how to draw the lips and stuff, everything else just naturally. And I have all kinds of things that mean things about me, like that explain who I really am in the background and what I love.
It's like colors and it's getting lighter, and I use trees and paint.
As families are walking through the gallery, they're taking part in an art scavenger hunt, searching for certain items hidden throughout the student-created pieces.
So a lot of times when we do the gallery walk, the students kind of go through pretty fast and try to find their own artwork, but having a scavenger hunt, it makes them really look at all the artwork and see what other students have done.
As the night continued, the celebration moved from the walls to the stage as students stepped into the spotlight for several singing and dance performances.
I love doing performances because it just makes me feel like energetic and makes me feel good about myself and like helps me show who I really am.
This festival isn't just about looking at art, it's about making it too. An interactive art station is inviting students and their families to work together on a collaborative project. After designing and cutting out colorful flowers, they're gluing them onto a board, creating a large flower rainbow made entirely by the school community. At Michael C. Riley Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.